Updating WhatsApp regularly is important for accessing the latest features, bug fixes, and security enhancements. It's a simple process on both Android and iPhone. Begin by opening the App Store on your device. Android users should go to the Google Play Store, while iPhone users should open the App Store. Once inside, navigate to the Updates or My Apps and Games section to view available updates. If WhatsApp has a newer version, it will be listed there. Select WhatsApp and tap the Update button next to it. The update will start downloading and automatically install when finished. If you don't see an update button, you likely already have the latest version. However, enabling auto updates can ensure that you never miss an update. In your App Store settings, you can turn on automatic updates for all apps or just for WhatsApp. This way, updates will download in the background whenever you're connected to Wi-Fi. For Android users who still don't see an option to update, another alternative is downloading the latest APK file directly from WhatsApp's official website. Just be cautious and only download from trusted sources to avoid security risks. By keeping WhatsApp updated, you ensure smoother performance, secure messaging, and access to new features that enhance your chat experience. Regular updates also mean better compatibility with your device's operating system and improved overall reliability.